Everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I got another 2025 outdoor DIY. The ghetto, what you call those things? Tree rats have torn up their feeding container. I tried to patch it, it's all broke. They broke this in several spots. I've used some tape. It's a wrap. But they want food. So I'm going to redo this. This is even bent. How did they bend that? I have no idea. So what I want to try and do is save this chain. Take this basket off and save the chain. Let's see if we can get it off. Repurpose, reuse, redo. Improvise. Trying to be nice to these tree rats. Let's get this off. They are rug rats because they bad. Alright, look at that. Bent. I don't know if y'all can tell or not. And so what I have is one of my planters. I washed this up, cleaned it up, took the plastic off because it broke the hanger. And let's see if we can get those. These might be too wide, I'm not sure, but let's see if we can get them on here. Uh-oh, I lost one. Doggone it, where'd it go? Did y'all see where it fell? I'm gonna have to look for it in a minute. I'll be darned. Let's see if they fit anyway. And they do. So that's one. See, aren't I nice? They're getting one of my planters. And hopefully they can't tear this one up. That's two. And I'll be right back, y'all. The other one's got to be down here somewhere. Silly me, y'all. It was still on the basket. Oh, that's good because I was looking all on the ground and couldn't find it. All right. Let's get this one on here. Quick and simple DIY improvision. And it has that hole on the bottom so water won't accumulate in here and mess up their food. But they'll eat their food before it gets wet. Look at there. Now, I have to hold it back because it swings all around and they'll tear it down. So I got this, what you call this thing, a little bungee cord. And I've got it zip tied. So I'm going to have to unzip tie it or go get something else and tie this to the post. Maybe I can put a nail in there. Let me think what I'm gonna do. Hold on, let's just cut the zip tie and I'll zip tie it back. How about that? Gotta reinforce things around here. They're a little ghetto. A lot of ghetto. Alright, let me see what I can do here. Is that gonna hold it? Do it on this side. I'll take this through here. Nope, it's not gonna fit through there. Okay. Maybe I'll wrap it around once. And then I'm gonna get another zip tie and hold that tight. I'll be right back. All right, I got a little zip tie. I'm gonna take it through this bungee cord and make sure that's secured. So that they don't take that apart because they will. And then I have some larger bungee cords, not bungee cords, larger zip ties in there. And I'm gonna take it through this and tie it to the post. I know one's not big enough, so not long enough. So I'm going to put 2 together. And bring it on around. Take it through here so I can secure this feeding bowl to the post. Cut these off. And now I'm in business, or they're in business. So secure. Ready? Now let me fill it with a Squirrel granola. They get a few chocolate chip cookies this time. Stale chocolate chip cookies. And bread, dry bread, noodles, raisins. What else is in here? Some dry cereal. They eat good. They do eat good around here. See that? They eating good. Open my hand, they're going on the ground. Fat squirrels. Let me just turn it up. I fill it about halfway. That's enough for today. And then they can get what's on the ground. Squirrel granola mix. Trail mix, whatever you want to call it. All right, they should be good to go. They're going to eat this up in no time. Let me put a little more in there. I only got it about right here. They're going to kill that in an hour. Oh, and there's oats in here too. Good enough. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Hit that thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Peace and love. Toodles. We'll see you soon.